Hello guys, welcome to my channel Vertex tutorial. In this video we are going to learn about drawing module in Solidworks. So first of all we have to select the sheet size. You can select sheet size of your choice, whatever you want, but right now I'm going to select A3 as my sheet size. Click A3. Okay. Now browse that part for which we are going to make a drawing. So we have to click on browse. Bring that part, select that part, open. Now select the front view from which we are going to take reference for top view and side view. You can choose front view of your choice, either right, top, whatever you want, but this time I'm going to choose front view as my parent view. Front view, top view, go on the right side, this is right view, and this one is the isometric view. You can change individually, you can change the shade individually, and you can also change the scale individually. Right now I'm going to keep it as 1:1, or you can hover around all the options. Now suppose you haven't drawn a top view and you have missed that, and then you want to draw a top view. Then what is the procedure then? How can you draw the top view? So you have to go to the projected view and select the front view, and yeah, by this method you can easily draw the top view. Now let's move to section view. I'm going to select the vertical plane as my cutting plane, and you can choose whatever you want of these 4 options. I'm going to select the vertical plane. Now click on that like this and drag your mouse to the right. You have it, the section view. You can flip that. You can change the alphabet, you can change the font also, font size, font style, whatever you want, you can change that. Okay, click on this and click on this. Now we have the bigger font. Next thing is detailed view. We are going to make a detailed view of a small portion. So let's see how to do that in Solidworks. Detailed view is very specifically used to show the details of a small portion, right? So let's see, detail view, select that, make a circle around that part and drag it wherever you want. This is the detail view, or you can say that enlarge view. It is going to give you an idea of how the small part going to look like. You can hover around all the options. Okay, now we are going to see that option. This is breaking part, breaking section. Make a closed loop. Now select the depth. Preview. Okay, so you can see that the broken part or cutout part has been created. Now we are going to see the example of break line. Break line are used to remove or break out part of a drawing for clarity, and also to shorten objects which have the same shape throughout their length and may be too long to place on the drawing. So let's see how to use the break line. Click on the break line. We have two type of option, horizontal and vertical. Select the gap. You can choose straight cut and all those options. This one zigzag type, this one, but in this I'm going to take it zigzag. Click one over there, one over there. Okay, that's it. You can change the gap whenever you want. Click OK. Let's say you want to crop a view. So how would you do that? Let's make a projection. Okay. Now go to sketch and make a portion or make a rectangle, make a sketch. Okay. Now go to view layout, crop view. Yeah, we have successfully cropped that. Delete it, we don't need that. Now we are moving to dimensions. You can choose the smart dimension over there in annotation, and dimension according to yourself. This one is the most commonly used dimension method, that is smart dimensioning. It has all the features. It can produce dimensions to radius, it can produce dimensions to diameters, it can produce dimensions to angle, like this, one by one manually. You can auto dimension it, but I would not recommend it in any time. But however, it has a significant in Solidworks, so we can see that also. Okay, you can see that it has created a dimension on its own on every view. Now let's see what model item does. It is going to bring all the dimension which you put on the model when you are drawing your model in a 3D module. So let's see how to bring that dimension. Click OK. So you can see that all the dimension has been brought onto this space, onto this sheet, or onto this view. You can adjust it because they are not being adjusted, they are not been in a formal way. Adjust it like this. Now you can go to notes. You can put whatever note you want on any of the edge. You can write anything, any specific note to the manufacturer. Just double click on that. Double click and write your note. whatever it is. I'm just randomly typing anything. You can put all the datums and everything. Surface finish. Right now I'm going to put the bill of material. Now select the view or select the part for which you want to make the material. It is going to look like this. You can have as many table, as many column, as many rows you want. Go to boolean indicator. Boolean, I would rather say. It is going to indicate that is the first part, and it is going to reflect on the our BOM table. So you can shade it like this. You can make revision cloud like this. You can always put datum feature wherever you want, on which datum you have worked, which that is primary, secondary or tertiary. You can just mention that, and you can make whole lot of tables, weldings, whole call out, whatever you want. You can mention all of those options, but right now I'm not gonna mention all those. I'm leaving it to you. Now let's just edit the sheet format. You can edit the sheet format according to yourself. You can change the line or sketch anything. Just change the, you can also change the text. Yeah, that's cool. Fine, everything is fine. Okay, now just go to properties. We can change the projection, angle projection, first angle projection. This is our first angle projection. Again, go to properties, select the third angle projection which we are using right now. So this is all about drawings, and you can always export or print a PDF form. Just go to page setup, select A3 size, you can select A3 size. Okay, so your drawings will convert into sheet or into PDF like this. So this was all from this module. This is it. So keep supporting, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.